Yes, I have your phone. You have your wallet. It's in your titties. All right. Well, welcome everybody to our first dual Motovlog. High five. Let's hop on this thing. Nope. I need some ventilation, so it's warm right now. Let me get this up. Let's get us turned on. Excuse you. I was just sneezing in her visor. There you go. Hop on in. Alrighty. You're good. You're good. Sure. Yeah, I got you. All right, so Ash is requesting that we not take the highway on the way home, which I think makes sense. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Avoiding tolls and ferries and highways. Nice. You got the braids all in for the ride. Sick. Sorry, I'm just repeating everything that you say for the vlog. Everything interesting anyway. If you say some boring shit, I'm not gonna repeat it. I'm kidding. I'm interested in everything you say, baby. Nice. That's not boring. You're burping in my ears. It's my favorite. Careful, you're gonna turn me on. Alright, 33, Jesus Christ. Alrighty. Oh, 32. Okay. And then back off. Alrighty, and we're gonna start the journey on home. So, do you see what I mean about, like, I'm gonna lean forward, and as we get into any stopping situations, you push on the tank a little bit, right? And then you'd hold on to me otherwise, right? Yeah, there we go. So mostly do that. I'll tell you if we're gonna stop hard, and just watch your helmet against the back of mine, okay? I need to be able to move my head and see. That's like the only thing. But yeah, otherwise, that's it. That's all you gotta remember is the backpack. You are the backpack. Yeah, the hardest part is holding your helmet off of mine. Alright, so we're coming up to a stop. Good job. Perfect. Yeah, I'm not used to being this low. My foot's so much lower than I'm used to. Yeah, but that's, that's 20 millimeters, so it's quite a lot. Fine. How do you feel about those crackles and pops back there? What are you fucking doing? Yeah, seriously. Yeah, seriously. Holy shit, people, come on. Braking on the hill. Yeah, they're just being idiots. No, like they're braking way earlier than they have to. There we go. So we definitely feel a little low, but we're not bad. I think it's just because it's more compressed than I'm used to, that's all. Tighten it. Yeah. Yeah, I am. Tank. Yep, hold the tank. There you go, thank you. It does, yes. It changes my level of control. Because like when you're pushing against me, it then can translate into the steering wheel, or into the handlebars. And I try not to like lean on the handlebars as much as possible, but like me and you, our upper body being held up, that gets a little tough. You ready? Sorry, I had to. Yeah, you're like in my head too. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Because then it's got ventilation when you're moving. Why are we braking? No. First is, yeah, they're just braking because they're like, I'm going 35, that's too fast. I have never seen a cop here in 30 years. Yeah, I think that's a story. People getting pulled over for 36, that wouldn't be something that would be ticketable in Pennsylvania. You can only ticket after 9 miles an hour over the speed limit. Yup. That's why I go 9 over the speed limit. They can only give you a warning. Are you able to scoot your butt back a little bit? Yeah, there we go. Are you comfortable like that? Alright, people, come on. We're going 10 under. Let's go. Oh, okay, here. I'll slide forward a little bit. This bike was not designed for 2 people, even though it was technically designed for 2 people. Yeah. Alright, we might have to pass this person. They're going painfully slow. No, it's not. It's 45. I just saw the sign. Yeah. There we go. You're good. So a way to keep any bumps from hurting is press your toes into your like stirrups. So it's like horse riding, like you're posting, you know? Well, it's a really good thigh workout, and it's a really good way to keep from getting smashed in the groin. Yeah, I mean, it'll still hurt. You've got a pubic bone to worry about. Look at that beautiful fucking sunset. Freaking gorgeous. I love you. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. I did, but I wanted to say it again. Everyone's puking right now. All the viewers just. Sorry. Ooh, listen to that crackle. Good. I'm watching to see if that bike pulls up behind us, because they'll be able to go way faster than we will. We'll make room for them so they can pass. I'm not seeing them. I think they turned the other way. Sorry. The little bonk on the back of my helmet. I feel a little bonk on the back of my helmet every time I like. You're like, I mean, you can sit up a little bit. Yeah, like you're fine like that. And then I can like maneuver a little bit, but like when we get moving faster, or if I go like this, like grab on, you know, just like hold on, that's all. Because it's like I'm about to either shift down and speed up, or I'm about to like hit the brakes. That'll be like your little bit of warning, like I'll just like that. Okay. You know how I said I could like backfire on demand? Basically. You know? Yeah, that's a tough thing in a helmet, unless you have the clap trap like I do. We'll be making the left up here. You probably know the route home from here, basically. Okay. Are they like really warm on your hands? Okay, okay. So you kind of lose some dexterity in those big gloves. Okay. Here we go, about to stop. Roll through that in second gear. I think that through like residential areas like this, it's a little bit better to get through them, you know, rather than like worry about going the exact speed limit. Because like, you know, it's just gonna annoy people. So you're just doing them a favor, you know. Ready? We're like weighted a little more right. So like we started to cruise right a little bit. Oh yeah, because your like head goes to the right? Yeah. Groundhog. That place is all closed off. It's been closed like that for weeks. Yeah. Which part? Oh, you don't have a chin curtain in yours. Okay, I got you. We're gonna turn to right. I'm gonna be going. I get waves from all the brothers, I tell you. I think they're just confused as to what I am. They're like, he's got like a road bike, like a touring helmet on, and then he's driving like a street bike-ish thing. But then he's also got like a denim vest on, but what? Like they just don't know what's going on. He's got MX boots too? Exactly. Real different. Alright, so we're about to take my favorite road. Yes, this stretch of 309 is honestly my favorite, most familiar road, too. Just depends if there's slow people in front of us that make it a pain in the ass or not. Looks like we might be good. We're already going like 55 in the 40 zone. Quite literally, we are riding off in the sunset. It's gorgeous. It's gonna be a great time to ride this. There you go. I thought you only had 2 arms though. That's gonna go get really strong 4 arms from this. And I, an idiot, made a pun. There you go. Okay. You are, yeah, you feel great. Thank you. There you go. Badge of honor. See, this thing's not big, but it's fun, you know? Like it's a bike that has enough go to like make corners interesting. actually perfect timing. Hold on tight. Yeah, and that's not even close to how far this thing leans. That's probably about 35, and this thing goes to about 65. Street bikes go to about, or it might be less than that. Like, this thing might go to, like, 50. We were probably at, like, 20 there, 25, maybe 30, but, like, street bikes will do, like, oh, Jesus, my face cam's falling off again. Street bikes will do... Okay, what are we doing here, people? Street bikes will do like 65 degrees, 70 degrees. It's crazy. Yeah, like Harley style bikes. Shadow? Yeah, I got you. That's a pretty common bike, the Honda Shadow. Alright, you can chill a little bit. On a mostly cruise road here. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot to tell you we're kind of clear here. So, if you don't mind, as we get, like, whenever you know that there's an intersection coming up, kind of just tighten up just a little bit. Just because, like here, like, we're going to stop at this one. And then, yeah, intersections in general are, like, where most it happens. Sorry. You're okay. Beautiful end to the day. Been gorgeous out. We got a good couple of rides in. I did anyway, but yeah. Yeah, there's been a lot going on. We're getting ready for that big trip. Thank you. Do I have music on? Can you hear that? Okay, I feel like I'm hearing like a beat somewhere in the background. Yeah, like the beat to a song. I don't think I am. It's just like very, very, very faint. buffeting from the truck, the wind. Watch, if we go back a little bit more, you'll feel more wind, and if we go up closer to the truck, it like goes away. Yeah. Alright, coming up to a left turn. That's the truck in front of us, by the way. Yeah, that's not us. Bump. A little bit. It's a little less zippy. I can tell that this thing doesn't have enough horsepower for like 2 people, but it's got a good amount for 1 person. You know, it's definitely like a 1-person vehicle that you can like put some stuff on. But like, I'm really excited to feel what like a 650 feels like. That's gonna be a serious like difference. No, he's got a 450, but that's still, you know, a 50%, like, yeah, basically. Yep. Brandon. Right here. Hey, buddy. Yeah, those dog parks are cool. I'm glad that they have those. Trying to make my trips as quick as possible so that they're still like okay for you. Change a gear and like let off the gas a little bit, and it just like cruises back down to another speed. It's super easy. It's a very forgiving bike. It's not something that like you're gonna like accidentally drop the clutch and do a backflip, you know? Which like there are legitimately bikes that will do that. They're not very common, mind you, but like they still exist. Yeah, look at that view. Quickly there. It's like a 10-degree difference for like 15 feet. Yeah. And it's just because of that water over the river. That the river's always in shade, so it's like cold, cool river water. Yeah, I am. You notice what I just did? Cut the engines for Harley's house. No, I cut the engines for Harley's house, so I'm not going by loud as fuck. Sounded like a dang hooligan. I mean, I am, but I don't need to sound like one. But this is why your mom can hear me all the way down 143, because now I come home like every time. So how was that?
Not bad, not bad. I wish the seat was a little bit bigger, but...
Come here. Come sit on this thing.
What? You want me to sit on it, sit on it?
Yeah. No, I want you to sit on it, but 10 feet away from it, sit on it.
How do I get on?
So keep left leg on the ground.
Uh-huh.
Kick your right leg. This is going to be the hardest part. Kick your leg all the way over that back. There you go. You get on there. And now lean it over. Yep, there you go. There you go. Do that. And it'll like sit down as you go over. So you can just about tiptoe both sides, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, you're good. So on a motorcycle, when you're like
balancing.
Here, watch. Kick your kickstand up. You're on the kickstand.
Oh.
So keep this left foot down. And just lean it a little bit. Hold it up. So hold the bike almost straight up. Yeah, there you go. But you're just leaning on one leg.
That's really hard.
So that's your, as you stop at a stoplight or something like that, you're going to put your right foot on the brake.
What?
Yep.
I can't. I'm going to knock your bike over, Stay. This is too heavy.
You're fine. I got you. So, foot on the peg.
Which one's the peg? This?
Yep, that's the peg.
Uh-huh.
That thing in front, that's the brake. Press that brake. So that's what you do, it stops.
Okay.
So one foot planted, and watch. I'm going to walk back. You're fine.
Okay.
That's all you do to stop. And now your tail light is on.
Okay.
Here, I'm going to kill this thing. There you go. Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, there. Now shut it off. Excuse me. This fucking fly has been chilling. So yeah, now your brake light is on.
Yeah.
So people can see that you're stopped.
Yeah.
That's the most important part. So you want to be either have that, or you want to be pulled in here, because those are your two brakes.
Okay.
Right?
What's this for then?
Whenever you're stopped, you pull that in. That's your clutch.
Oh.
So clutch means that the bike can't go. It's not going to power to the wheels.
Yeah.
Right? So as you slowly let the clutch out, like right about there, it's going to start, the gear is going to start to push forward. Unless you're in neutral.
Oh.
Then nothing happens. You can let that go. It's the same thing as having the clutch pulled. Right?
Okay.
Neutral and clutch, same thing.
Okay.
So what you're doing is whenever you need to make a change, so like say you're going forward and it's like you see your RPMs are getting pretty high, and like, okay, I need to switch my gear, you're going to pull that in, and then you're going to make your gear changes with your left foot with this thing.
Oh.
So you hook your foot under to go up in gear, and you push your foot down to go down in gear. It's down and up. It's that simple, right?
Yeah.
So then all you have to do is, as you're trying to let it out, it's like the clutch in a car. Like if you've ever done a manual car.
Once or twice there.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't get it most of the time.
Do you want to feel it in gear with the clutch?
No.
Okay, all right. So yeah, then just lean over on your right foot. Put your right foot down and lean over on that. So like trade to that side, and then kick your kickstand down with your left foot. Nope. A little more forward. There it is. That thing. So you gotta put your foot on top of it.
Did I do it?
Nope. That thing, feel that? Push
Barely.
that.
I can't feel anything with these boots.
It's this thing right here. You feel that thing? That little peg? Push that straight down. There you go. There you go. All right. Now your kickstand's forward, and you can lean the bike over, and you're good.
I don't have the hip flexibility for this.
Gotta practice your